Good morning, students. In last class, we have completed nutrition in plants. Today, we are going to start nutrition in animals. As we know, on the basis of the cell, there are two types of organism. One is unicellular organism, and second is multicellular organism. In unicellular organism, all vital activities is performed by a single cell. But in multicellular organism, a well-developed organ system is present. It means in unicellular organism, vital activities like excretion, respiration and digestion is occurred by a single cell. While in multicellular organism, all vital activities is occurred by different organ system. For example, digestion in multicellular organism is occurred by a well-developed digestive system. Okay, now we will study step of digestion in animals, and these steps involved in unicellular organism as well as multicellular organisms. First step in digestion process, first step called as ingestion. And ingestion is a process of intake of food. Second step of digestion is second step of digestion process is digestion. It is a process of breakdown of large and complex molecule into simpler and smaller and soluble form. Or we can say it's a process of breakdown of large molecule into smaller molecule. This process is occurred by some digestive enzymes. Now third step of digestion process in animal is absorption. It's a absorption of digested food through intestinal wall to blood. Process of absorption of food from intestinal wall to blood. and this process in animals is occurred by different kind of organs. Just like in human being, for example, in human being, absorption is occurred by a finger-like structure called as villi. Now, next step of digestive process is assimilation. This is a process in which absorbed food, which is absorbed by from intestinal wall to blood, is taken by body cells. And last process or we can say last step of digestion process is egestion. And this is a process in which undigested matter which is expelled out through body. In different animal, egestion process is occurred by different organs. Now, after step of digestion, we will take an example of amoeba to understand digestion process in unicellular organism. Okay, now there we will take example of unicellular organism amoeba. We will make a diagram of amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism, belongs from protozoa phylum, and it has a irregular structure. And structure of amoeba continuously being changed by its false feet pseudopodia. Pseudopodia, also called as false feet of amoeba, they help in locomotion as well as in nutrition. In first step of digestion in amoeba, when food particle comes in contact of amoeba, it is spreads its pseudopodia around food particle. And makes a food vacuole around the food particle. Now, enzyme comes from cytoplasm to inside the food vacuole to digest the engulf food particle. And after digestion, this food vacuole is disappeared and digestion is completed now. Now last step of second last step of digestion, which is called as assimilation, is occurred by amoeba, in which digested food is absorbed by single cell of amoeba, and this assimilated food provides energy to amoeba, and undigested food through egestion process is expelled out by single cell of amoeba, and this process is occurred by general body surface of amoeba. So we can say whole process of digestion in amoeba is occurred by general body surface. First process or first step of digestion in amoeba called as ingestion, in which food is engulfed by amoeba. Second step called as digestion, in which enzyme comes from cytoplasm to food vacuole to digest the engulfed food, And third step of digestion in amoeba called as absorption, in which digested food is absorbed. Next step called as assimilation, and last step called as egestion, in which undigested food is expelled out through amoeba body. So it is all about digestion in unicellular organism, and there we have taken example of amoeba. Now we will study in next class nutrition in human, in which we will study about alimentary canal and digestive glands and all digestive process of human digestive system.